Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I want to show you how to activate developer options. So if you wish to unlock developer panel, you have to enroll the list of all apps, go to the settings, find and select about phone, and here click on software info. Here you will notice build number, so tap on it 7 times, then draw your unlock pattern if you have one. And as you can see, developer options have been enabled. Now you need to go back and at the bottom of the list, developer options appeared. Click to open, you can smoothly use them, and then to deactivate it, use the stop switcher. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.